Okay, children. So today we'll see about constellations. Children, today we'll see about constellations. In the last class, we have seen about the galaxies. Okay, and today, children, I'm going to tell something about constellation. Children. What is a constellation? Children, a constellation is a small group of stars, very small group of stars. Children. A small group of stars which make up a specific shape, which make a specific pattern or shape which make a specific pattern or shape. A small group of the stars are called constellations. Children, they may be making some pattern, image. In the sky, you can see the light, beautiful children, and you have seen like some will be like a animals, some will be like a creatures, some will be like a hunter. So many we are seeing children. Okay, so children, so as far as I'm today, we have seen so many constellations, children. Okay, so almost approximately 88 constellations are there, children, in the night sky, where we can make up a specific pattern with our naked eye, children. And some of the famous constellations I want to discuss: Ursa Major. First one is Ursa Major. Please listen about this constellation, children. It's called, children, if you see in the night sky, it looks somewhat like this, children. Ursa Major. It looks something like this. Okay, so here one star, here one star, here one star, here one star. So this is called Great Bear constellation. Great Bear. It looks like a bear, it seems, children. So Great Bear constellation and is the third largest constellation in the sky. Children. Is the third largest constellation, Great Bear constellation, children. Children, normally it is visible throughout the year, children, especially from the northern hemisphere, it is visible very, very clearly. The even bright stars within, children, there are so many bright stars are there in the Alpha Major constellation also, children. What is the bright star? Some of the bright stars we will see, children, here. And that this recognizable pattern in from olden days until today, it's called Ursa Major or Great Bear. It appears like a big ladder or a question mark also, children. Okay, see, children. So some people will say like it's like question mark. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, slowly I'm saying listen, children. If we observe this Ursa Major during a summer night, okay, within an interval of 2-3 hours, we will notice that constellation appears to rotate around the pole star in the east to west direction. East to west direction. Okay, children. If you see in the summer, children, I'm saying talking about summer because summer, so we can see 9 stars clearly, children. Because no clouds will be there, we can see that this constellation appears to rotate around the pole star from east to west. Around the pole star from east to west. You have to remember these points about Ursa Major and what is constellation. Children, next one I want to discuss about Ursa Minor also, children. Whenever I am discussing about Ursa Minor is also one of the finest constellations, children. It is called as Little Bear constellation, children. Ursa Minor, it is called Little Bear constellation, children. It looks very small, same like this shape only, children, but it looks like small shape, children, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like small look, children. Ursa Major. It consists of a group of 7 stars same like or like same like Ursa Major only. But stars in the Ursa Minor are closer and smaller. That's why it's called Ursa Minor. Okay, children. And remember, pole star is a part of Ursa Minor constellation. Where is pole star present? Pole star is present in Ursa Minor. It is a part of the Ursa Minor constellation. Remember, in exams, pole star is a part of which constellation they will ask. You should say Ursa Minor. In Ursa Minor, among the 7 stars, one star is the pole star, children, and this is going to be a pole star, brightest star, children. Pole star. Okay. Next one, children, like this only, some of the under great shape Orion, very, very famous, children. If you go to Birla Planetarium, also they will be showing all these things. But of course, nowadays we can see in Google only everything. Children, Orion, it is one of the beautiful pattern, children. Okay, children, it is one of the beautiful in Greek mythology. It is referred as hunter. It looks like a hunter, children. Like somewhat. Don't think exactly like a hunter, children. It looks somewhat like that. Okay, from Greek mythology, it got its hunter name. The 3 middle stars represent the belt of the hunter, children. Somewhat it looks like this, children. I can't exactly draw. It looks like this somewhat. Somewhat like this area. It's like a hunter, children. Okay, so the 3 middle stars here, 3 middle stars will be there, children. It looks like the belt of the hunter, children. 3 middle stars. Right. And the 4 bright stars appears to be form of a quadrilateral here, children. Okay, the 4 bright stars here. Here the 4 bright stars appears to form a quadrilateral. Okay, 4 bright stars here. 3 are there belt and 4 bright stars here. The star Sirius, which is the brightest star in the sky, is near to located very close to Orion. Whenever you see Orion constellation, you can see nearby the Sirius star, children. Sirius star is the brightest star in the night sky, children. To locate Sirius, children, what we have to do is take a straight line from the middle line wherever you go. That is the Sirius. Okay. Again, I'm saying to locate Sirius, take a straight line from the middle, take a straight line passing through the three middle stars of Orion. Look along this line towards the east. This line will lead to Sirius, and whichever is the brightest, you have to go towards east, children. Okay, towards east. Fine, children. Actually, east is this side, but I'm sure I forgot and I showed this side. Okay, children, this is Orion, and the last one, children, Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia constellation is also one of the prominent. It's named after the Queen Cassiopeia in Greek mythology, children. It is most visible during winters, children. Okay, and in the early part, it looks like a distorted W or M, children. Like this, it looks, children, like the sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Here one star, here one star, here one star, like a distorted W or M, it looks like Cassiopeia, children. It's also one of the prominent constellations, children. So what are the constellations I told you? Definition of constellation you should remember: Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Orion, Cassiopeia, children. Orion is a hunter, Ursa Minor is a smaller version of Ursa Major, and Pole Star is present in Ursa Minor. Sirius is near to Orion, and Ursa Major, third largest constellation, and Pole Star is near. Of course, Ursa Major and Minor are very near, and Cassiopeia is a distorted W or M shape. Don't forget, children, and try to add some more notes from yourself, and please learn constellations notes as it is. It will become one of the questions for your Sunday exam, children. Thank you.